everything boo, boo, boo. Who? That owl going who? I'm exquisite at the math cause I stay stacking all those blues. Ringing on the door.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and bang that bell. I am back with another bang. So today, this week, is gonna be in nature. You're gonna hear we in the Blooming Ridge Mountains, and we're gonna have some fun in nature. You can hear the chickens, you can hear the piggies. Listen, you're gonna hear them. But look at this big cabin we got. Yeah, but we finna turn up and see how this weekend goes in the wilderness. Okay guys, this is the patio with a jacuzzi, a little lounge area. That goes to a bedroom. And yeah, this one will be staying for a couple of days. So yeah, wanna see how this goes in nature. Go back here.
I'm gonna let you have it, but I'm not gonna do it to you.
How you is it good?
Yes. I don't know about fish frying up in the mountains, y'all.
Outside.
Grab the spoon. Girl.
Hot fries. Outside. All right, country girl.
Don't be shy. It's just fit food. Move it. You can move it around.
All right.
Frying some fries. You supposed to be looking at it telling you frying some fries.
Frying these fries, y'all. Up
You
in
ain't
the
looking at the
mountains.
She
thing.
look like she's scared of that grease.
I am.
Make
Supposed to
sure
be a
you
cook.
always have a parent present with you when you're doing this kind of stuff. Roasting marshmallows.
That's good. The door.
Y'all out here joking. She ready.
Hey,
Ready
what
to
you
get
doing? Is it lit? Let me see what it look like.
This?
You want to eat it?
Why wouldn't I?
Let me see.
Look at the cake. In the kettle. Wait a minute. Hey, is the kettle?
That's how you bring.
Get off the.
Oh, Lord.
Ooh.
That cat trying to get a little piece
Mm.
of whatever she can eat. She is so pretty.
What does it taste like?
It's nothing like
It's
family
delicious.
and friends. We have be outside and inside.
You made yours? Let me see.
But I don't want her to get.
Ooh, what does it taste like?
Tastes like a s'more. Tastes like marshmallows and chocolate.
So this you gotta keep on turning it and turning it and turning it. I don't want mine to be all super charcoal.